Michael Shaw, and I work at the AutoTire in Greenwood, Indiana, and I've been working here for 8 years. And one of the biggest reasons why I've been here for as long as I have is I enjoy the camaraderie with my fellow workers and the environment that Brent and the rest of the AutoTire team has given us here to work in. It's just bar none, and I would rather not work anywhere else but at AutoTire. One of the major misconceptions about AutoTire is our name having tire in it. A lot of people think all we do is tires. In particular, it's not all we do. This vehicle in particular came in with a no heat issue. It had a water pump that was leaking coolant, and that's just one of the number of things we do. We work on heating and cooling, electrical. We get into why your vehicle's running rough, or if you have a check engine light, brakes, suspension. There's really not a whole lot we don't get into. If I had to recommend, I would encourage anyone to come up and see us. We, like I said, work on any make and model, and pretty much any problem. We like to see, if anyone from grandparents to my parents' age to younger, we treat everybody the same. We like to think of you as family. If I wouldn't sell it to my parents, my grandparents, my little sister, my little brother, my mom, my dad, you wouldn't try to sell you anything you don't need.